Good morning, class 4. How are you all doing? Hope you all are keeping safe, fine, and healthy. So, we are back to English on your course book, the big one, the course book. So, we'll be on page 113 today. What is 113? Let's go and check out. Where is 113? Okay, the earth. It's a poem by Charles Cornell. Okay. Okay. So, fine. Let's start. I don't see anything. I was looking for this poet, that something has to be given here about the poet also, but there is nothing given. Sometimes I don't understand this book. Okay. Okay, let's start with the earth. Let's see what it says. What does Charles Cornell want to say? Come to think of it, planet Earth is the only place we can call home. The more you learn about it, the more interesting and marvelous it becomes. The Earth, we have not seen the full thing, the full planet, isn't it? We don't know the full thing. We have not traveled the full Earth, which you say the world tour. Even traveling around the full world, we can't get to see the full universe or the full Earth. And this is the only planet which has got life. And we call it our house or home or place we live. So I am your favorite planet. The planet is talking to us. The planet is telling us everything. I am your favorite planet, the one that gave you birth. A green spot, a clean spot. That's known as Mother Earth. My orbit never changes on my journey round the sun, leaving no trace. Each lap means 1 year gone. I spin on my axis once every day and night. Observers say I lean on one way. I am inclined to think they are right. I have a moon that sometimes comes between the sun and me. And for a time I know that I am plunged in obscurity. Consider the sun, moon, and stars, the other 8 planets, and I. Ask whom, ask who put them in place, who arranged them in space. Why did it happen and why? Experts say the whole scheme will collapse, and there's nothing that mankind can do. A billion light years or so. So I'm not going to worry, are you? So the earth is talking to us. It's directly talking to us. What is it saying? I am your favorite planet. Planet is one of the 9 planets, Earth is one. The one that gave us birth. Means it gave us life. A green spot, trees, greenery. A clean spot, a clean, without any pollution. We have dirtied the place. That's known as Mother Earth. My orbit never changes. The route in which, the path in which the Earth rotates is called the orbit. On my journey round the sun, the path around the sun which he travels is called the orbit. Circling through space, that is the space. The orbit is the space. Leaving no trace, you can't see anything behind. When a car goes or a cycle goes, it leaves tire traces, footprints, but she doesn't leave any traces. Mother Earth has got no trace, keeps on going round. Each lapse means 1 year is gone. Once she goes around and comes back, 1 year finished, 365 days. I spin upon my axis every day and night. Once every day and night. So once there is day, once there is night. One spin is once day, one night. Observers say, the people who look at me, observers means the people are looking at me, say, I lean on one way. Means axis is tilted. If you go into geography, you will come to know. I am inclined to think they are right. They are right. The earth is like this. I have a moon that sometimes comes in between me and the sun. Or I have a moon that sometimes comes between the sun and me. When we have eclipse, Grahan, which you say. And for a time, I know that I am plunged in obscurity. Sudden change of situation or condition, darkness, obscurity. Consider the sun, moon and stars. Look up and see. Consider the sun, moon and stars. The other 8 planets and I together, what a wonderful place this universe is. Who arranged them in space? When did it happen and why? Who did it? Who put all these planets there? Who decorated the sky? Who decorated the space? Experts say the whole scheme will collapse, means break down, finish, end. And there's nothing mankind can do. Mankind can do nothing. It's going to finish. Not much longer to go. It's going to finish. 1 billion light years or so. Billion light years is huge time left. Billions light years. 100 years or 140 years make 1 light year. I don't know. I'm not sure. So I'm not going to worry. Billion light years are left. I don't have to worry. Are you? Are you going to worry? There's nothing to worry. Just live, be happy, be safe, take care of yourself. This is what the poet is trying to say. The earth is trying to tell you. Enjoy me. Enjoy your Mother Earth. Take care of it. Keep it clean. Okay? I'll come back in the next video.